Hey guys, Tim Walling here, SC Legal Carry. We train people to get a CWP in the state of South Carolina. If you guys need a concealed weapons permit, please look us up online at sclegalcarry.com. We have got, this is the Lima Laser. This is the red laser. Goes on your Sig P365. Now let's go ahead and attach this on here. This thing goes on really easy. It comes with a little Allen wrench, comes with some little tiny screws. This is a 0.05 Allen wrench. This thing is so simple to actually put on. So we will slide it right in here. It snaps right on. You just can't get any easier than that. It is a perfect fit there. How simple that is. We'll tilt it around. Of course, this firearm has been cleared before we started. So see the little black tip right here? We want to put that little black tip in right here on the firearm. Front little tab goes right in there. As you put it in, just kind of wiggle it around. See how I just wiggled it, gave it a little shake, and it snaps. It goes right in. Put this corner in, give it a little bit of a shake. We're going to hold it down. These little screws are going to go right here. These two holes are where they're going to go. We'll just drop them in. Just drop this one in. Get it started. Let's drop this one in and get it started. These are very fine little screws, guys, so definitely be careful when you're putting these in. You do not want to force these. You want to let them kind of find their own way and get started. Just push down just a little bit on it, spin them. All right, I feel it gripping into the threads now. So let's come over here before we tighten it up. Let's make sure we get this side in. So now we're just gonna slowly tighten this. We're not gonna over tighten it. We don't want to tear them threads up. Jump back over here. We're gonna do one side then the other. Check the fit. Make sure everything's in place, everything's in position good. Now, let's do our final tightening. So, really easy install on the firearm. I gotta say, it looks really good on here with the black slide, the tan grip. The way you adjust this red dot is right here. This same little Allen wrench, 0.05. It goes in right here. And you would just turn it. It tells you left or right. Right underneath here on the very bottom of it. This is your up and down. Tiny, tiny movements with these. This moves that red dot really quick. Your activation button is right here, so that when you grip the gun in your middle finger, this finger right here, tightens up, it turns that laser on. You loosen up, it turns off. Tighten up, turns on. That way when you draw the firearm, as soon as it comes up, that laser is on and you're ready to go. You sight it in, wherever the red dot is, that's where your round is going to hit. I like that laser on this gun. I like using it. I feel like I'm a whole lot faster when that thing comes up. That laser's on. But I've got my optic just in case I have to do something in the distance and I have the opportunity and the time to make that shot and make that shot count. I want to make sure I give myself every advantage with this firearm. The laser's for up close and quick as it comes out. Just point shooting as fast as you can. The optics here so that I get that really tight group and that nice shot if I have to go in the distance a little bit with this thing. Let's get a good look at it. Looks great on that firearm, doesn't it? Remember guys, be a responsible adult. Don't push your responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Till next time, take care. Remember, we're selling these optics on Optics86, optics86.com.